So we are at the Government Center celebrating the Stephen A. McLaughlin Champions of Character Awards. The Champion of Character Awards honors those that have demonstrated good sportsmanship and character through sports.
Because how we treat each other and how we treat the officials and the coaches is indicative to how we're going to treat people throughout our lives. And so real lessons getting learned on the turf, on the grass, on the courts, wherever you are, each and every time a game is played.
So the recipients of this award have a number of categories, criteria that they have to meet. What I think the most endearing part of the recipients is that they're being nominated for how they've demonstrated themselves throughout the year with nobody looking. It's just because of how they approach the game, how they respect the game, how they respect their teammates. So to get this nomination and then to be honored and celebrated is just such a great way to honor Steve McLaughlin and to honor this particular event. He was instrumental in so many new programs and advocating, creating policies that we've renamed this event after him. It's the Stephen A. McLaughlin Champions of Character Awards Ceremony. So if they go to our website, www.fairfaxcounty.gov/NCS, you can find everything you need to know about the program, about the nomination criteria, and when and where to nominate.